Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add multiple audios or music to our Instagram reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to create Instagram reel. I'm going to click on this plus icon and select reel. And for example, I'm just going to select my photo from my gallery. Wait, I'm going to select multiple photos like this. I'm just going to pick a random photo and I'm going to create Instagram reel with my photo. Okay, just like this, and I'm going to click on next. And here you can select the music you want to add to your Instagram reel. I'm just going to select this one and click on next. Okay, and then if you want to add multiple audio or music, you can go to the edit video. And here I have added one music to my reel, and I'm going to add more musics to this reel. We can click on add audio and choose the music you want to add to your reel. I'm just going to go to my saved music, and for example, I'm gonna go with this one. Click on done. Okay, and as you can see that two audios or two musics have been added to this reel, and I'm going to play it guys. And you can also combine with your own voiceover if you want. Just go to the voiceover and then you can record your voice. You can still add music guys if you want. I'm just going to go to add audio. And then, for instance, I'm gonna go with this one. We can choose the part, click on done. And as you can see that 3 audios have been added to this Instagram reel. That's easy, right? And once you're done adding the music, you can click on this next icon. And then you can click on share to share your Instagram reel to your friends. I'm just going to save it as draft. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add multiple audios or music to our Instagram reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.